Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to this amazing session. I'm going to be showing you a very effective way to trade to become profitable in the long term. This is called a fake out strategy. Okay, now how does it work? It's very simple. Stick around to the end of this video, smash the subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends because they are going to be needing it just the way you are. All right, so now first things first, we're on the 4 hour time frame. We want to identify where we have a range. Okay, we want to identify where we have a range. So our range is looking something like this. Our range is looking something like this. This is what our range is looking like. Hold on a second, let me just put this on don't disturb. All right, so our range is looking something like this. We also have another range here. Now a range is where you have price touching the most. Okay, we will have the most touches of price action. We'll have the most touches of what? Of price action. Now, because this is our range, let's see it clearly now. You can see we had a fake out here. You can see we had a fake out. This big candle. Price fell into this range and could not go up. Alright, it could not what? Go up from there. So this is where we become what? Very interested. Right, we become very interested. So now we want to look at price from a smaller perspective. Now let's go to the 15 minutes. Let's see what has been happening on the 15 minutes. Now the 15 minutes, you can see right here that we've had a distribution. For those of you who do not know what a distribution means, it means that it is that phase of the market where sellers take control and begin to sell. So invariably we have more sellers than buyers at this level. All right, so we have a distribution here. All right, look at it. We have a very big distribution. Price is moving and coming down at the same time, making structural points, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. In fact, the trend is about to start right now. So if you are actually watching this video, now is the best time for you to hop in. All right, now is the best time for you to hop in. Now because we're already seeing that there's a distribution going on here on 15 minutes and price already broke through into that range, it means price wants to continue to the downside. So where will price likely go and target? That's the next question I know you will ask me. If we go to the 4 hours time frame, we're going to see price is most likely going to come and target this point here. There's a fair value gap somewhere here. Price is going to what? Come and target this fair value gap. Can you see that there's inefficiency here? If you do not know what a fair value gap means, I'm going to make a video on that and I'll be posting it live here on this channel. Right, so this fair value gap is where price is most likely going to come and what? Target, because that is where most of the institutions originally initiated their orders from. Okay, so price will likely go back and try to what? Collect orders from here and probably maybe go back to the upside again, or it could just continue the overall bearish trend. Now how do we know we're on an overall bearish trend? Let's go to the daily time frame. Go to daily time frame. What do you see on the daily? See, we're already making structural what? Change of character. Look at it, broken structure here already. You see it with broken structure. Let's go to the weekly. What's the weekly saying? The weekly is already showing us that this is a distribution. a redistribution. Okay, if we plot our trend lines like this, I want to show you right now. I'm not even using trading view, I'm just showing you guys on. So you are going to see that we have a descending triangle. We have a descending triangle. Price has already made a fake out somewhere around here. Faked out, and that's why we had this big candle blasting back into the range. Now this is from the weekly. So the weekly is already showing us that we have a descending triangle. So this is a sell. We have no business trying to buy this market. I see a lot of newbies trying to scalp and do all sort of things, but in the long term that will only hurt you, because the overall trend is already showing you what it is. That it is what? Bearish. So where do you think price will fall down to? Price is going to fall down to this level. There's a key support here. It's a base support. It's called a base support. Yeah. So probably price will fall back to this zone thereafter. Okay. If the bearish cycle continues. So back to the 4-hour time frame, you can see this trade is already it's already moving as a sell. It's already falling. I'm in this trade right now and I'm already like 400 and something percent because I use very, very high leverage. I'm in this trade currently as I'm speaking to you. I am in this trade right now. So guys, basically this is how we trade and get a lot of profits from the market. It's very simple, it's very easy. Wait for the fake out to occur and trade in the direction of that fake out. I know the next question is, MG, how do we know there's a fake out in the market? When we start seeing that we have big bearish candles going back into a range, it's very, very clear and evident that there's a fake out. Now, I have a VIP section where I post signals, post trade setups that you can take advantage of. The fees are just $25 and you can actually get that right now. The mentorship is $50. Sign up. I'm going to teach you live how to get these setups, one, how to find them, and how to know the overall trend of the market, whether we're actually going to be approaching an alt season, a Bitcoin season, or a dump in the entire market. Now, all of these things have been broken down into phases, from technical analysis to basic to technical analysis to the advanced section where we talk about smart money concepts and Wyckoff schematics. All right, so it's actually very, very important that you get a mentorship so that you know what you are doing in this market. This is MJ Crypto. One love. I'm going to see you in the next video. And I've not forgotten, I'll post the fair value gap video here so that you see it and know how exactly you should be taking advantage of these things. One love. Peace out. I love you all so much. I'll be back.